Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to update PayPal on Facebook. First, log into your Facebook account and head to your settings. From there, you'll want to find the Payments section. This is where all your payment methods are managed. Look for your current PayPal account listed among your payment options. This initial step sets the stage for a smooth update process, ensuring you're in the right place to begin. Now, to update your PayPal, you'll first need to remove the old one. Simply select the PayPal account you intend to change from your list of payment methods. You'll then see an option to remove or delete it. Click this, and a confirmation prompt will appear. It's important to confirm this action to ensure the old account is completely unlinked before adding a new one. This clears the way for your updated information. When zipper teeth separate, it often means they are bent or misaligned. Use a pair of small needle nose pliers to gently straighten any bent teeth. Work slowly and methodically, ensuring each tooth is perfectly aligned with its counterpart. Once you believe they are straight, slowly pull the slider up and down the zipper's full length. Repeat this action 2 or 3 times to confirm the teeth are now interlocking correctly and smoothly. Finally, it's crucial to verify your new PayPal connection. Take a moment to review all the details of the newly linked account within your Facebook payment settings. Double-check that everything is accurate and as you intended. Once you're satisfied, remember to click Save or Confirm to finalize your changes. This ensures your updated PayPal is correctly registered and ready for use on Facebook, completing the entire process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.